Hey there, quick review on this Honeywell humidifier. This is not your average humidifier like more typical ultrasonic humidifiers where you see them shooting out that stream of mist into the air. This does not do that. You will not see that pool of evaporated water coming out of the unit. This works in a more natural way where it actually draws dry air into the unit and evaporates moisture into the air, so you do not have any of that water being shot up into the air or that white dust that humidifiers can create being ejected out into the air. This is completely invisible in the way it works. You will notice that this humidifier is a little bit of a larger humidifier versus other units, and that is because it is an evaporative humidifier versus an ultrasonic humidifier that is ejecting that mist. This requires a little bit larger surface area on their filters, a little bit more fan speed and volume of air movement for it to do its job, which is why it's just a little bit larger than some of the other humidifiers you might see. It was actually kind of funny when I was researching this unit, there was a review on Amazon where the lady was very upset because the humidifier allegedly wasn't working because she couldn't see the mist coming out of it. That's how it's supposed to work. You're not supposed to be able to see the mist coming out of it. It works in a different way. So here you'll see your water jug works really well. It's a nice, easy to grab handle. Flip it over and you can empty and fill it up very easily. Nice large area for filling it up, and this will run for about 24 hours. So we'll plop that back down in there, and I'll show you the fan speed settings here. We've got 3 settings, just a simple twist up here of the knob turns that on. So not bad on noise at all, in my opinion. And if you want to really dial it down all the way on low, you can truly barely hear it running at all. Inside the unit, there is a large filter that may require replacement as time goes on. And you do also have an indicator light right here when it is time to change that filter. Just to show you what this looks like, taking this apart and accessing the filter, you'll see the whole top section here just comes right off, and you have access to this filter here. So this is all damp with moisture, and then the fan is going to blow air through this, naturally evaporating water back into the air by pushing it through this filter. That is the most healthy way to humidify air. On my whole house humidifier in my home, I've got that as well. It's definitely the best way to go. So that's how it works. This will need replaced every so often, especially if you've got a lot of minerals in your water. It'll collect those minerals on the filter a little bit more. But as you can see, it's a piece of cake just to put the unit back on top and change the filter out. Really not a problem at all.